Hello friends, welcome to the learning curve. In this video, I am going to discuss with you the 4 cases of factorization of quadratic equations. And I hope that after watching this video, you won't be having any problem while factorizing a quadratic equation. Let's start with case number 1. The number 1 is a plus plus case. The standard quadratic equation has a format as ax squared plus bx plus c is equals to 0. So you have a quadratic term, then you have a linear term, and then we have a constant. So in a plus plus case, we have a quadratic term, then there is a positive sign with a linear term, and then there is a positive sign with a constant. So, in order to factorize this equation, what we are going to do, just we are going to multiply the quadratic term with a constant. You get here 20x square. Now we have to factorize 20 in such a way that those factors of 20, when they are added, you get plus 9x, and when those two factors are multiplied, you get plus 20x square. So, we have 4x and 5x. In the plus plus case, both the terms should have a positive sign, right? So, here you will break it up as x square plus 4x plus 5x plus 20. Just take out x common here. So, you are left with x plus 4 plus 5 bracket x plus 4. Further, you can simplify it as x plus 4 into x plus 5. So, this is our plus plus case. In the plus plus case, just both the terms that you have factorized have a positive sign, right? Now, let's discuss case number 2. In case number 2, we have I call it a minus plus case. In this case, we have a quadratic equation in this format. That is, we have a negative sign with a linear term and have a positive sign with a constant. So, what we have to do? Just multiply the constant with the quadratic term. You get here 8x squared. Now, you have to take those factors of 8. When they are added up, you get minus 6. So, you get those factors are 4x and 2x. Now, the question where the students usually get stuck is the point with which sign to place. Here you have minus and in plus. It means both the terms should have a minus sign. So, when you multiply these minus that multiplied, you get 8x square, and when then you add them up, you get minus 6x, right? So, you just break it up at x square minus 4x minus 2x plus 8. Just take out x common, x minus 4 minus 2, and here you get x minus 4, and this is our case number 2. Now let's move on to case number 3. The case 3 is a minus case. In this case, just take an example of a quadratic equation like for x square minus 2x minus 15. In this case, we have a minus sign with a linear term and a minus sign with a constant. So when you are going to multiply the quadratic term with the constant, now what you will get here minus 15x square. Now what you have to do, just you have to find out the factors of 15. Factors of 15 here are 5x and 3x. Now what is the problem that usually the students have, that where to put the negative sign while breaking the middle term. Here the middle term is minus 2x. So when you break it up, you have to put the negative sign with the bigger term and positive sign with the smaller term, right? So here you will just write it as x square minus 5x plus 3x minus 15. Just notice this, minus 5x and plus 3x makes minus 2x, right? Now take out x common, you get here x minus 5. Here you get 3 common, you get here x minus 5. Further, x minus 5 is taken out, and here you will get x plus 3. Now let's move on to case number 4. Case number 4 is a plus minus case. In this case, just take an example of a quadratic equation x square plus 5x minus 14. Here you have a plus sign with the linear term and a minus sign with the constant. Now just multiply for factorization, you are going to multiply this x square with 14. So you get here minus 14x square, right? Now factorize 14 in such a way that you get their sum of those factors as 5x. So those factors of 17 are 7x and 2x. Now where to put the signs, how to put the signs? One should be plus and the other should be minus. This is plus, so you can get plus by putting plus here and minus here, right? Now just write it as x square plus 7x minus 2x minus 15. Just take out x common here. Now minus 2 is taken, so you are left with x plus 7. Further you can write it as x plus 7 into x minus 2. Now I have discussed all the 4 cases of factorization in this video, and I hope that this will be very helpful for you for doing the questions of factorizations. I hope you would have understood it. If you like it, kindly subscribe my channel, and for any recommendation, write in the comment box. Thanks.